Hey friends, if you wish to force uninstall programs that won't install in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. I will give you the easiest possible method. Don't go through the command prompt route and everything. Just download and install Revo Uninstaller or any other similar program, but I prefer it because it's free and it has been working well with my system. So you can choose if you want some other uninstaller, but I prefer this one. Just click on open or to install it. Now search for Revo uninstaller. Now let's say that I want to uninstall this program. It's very hard to uninstall this. Right click and uninstall it easily. You can also do the same thing with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge cannot be uninstalled using any other system command, but this one works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.